Hey YouTube, it's Tom at Ford Collector. I'm making this quick video. Just want to give you a little heads up. Working on several videos. One of them being the Hot Wheels December celebration. I got some custom monster trucks coming up. I just got to put it together and edit. You know how it is. But I wanted to share this. Got this the other day. It's a new zombie monster truck. It's the mail away from Walmart. Do a close up of it. Is that not bad or what? And what I'll do, I'll photocopy the back of it. I'm not going to do the unboxing right now and the review. That'll be later to come. But I just want to give an update to everybody and see you in the next video. There's the front side. Clear the air, that's better. Ugly looking, isn't he? Of course, he's a zombie. There's blood on the tires. Or simulated blood. There's a back side, it says zombie. There's a zombie battle slammer hand. That's perfect, look at that. Very unique. Here's a close up. 0 to 10, I give this truck a 10. There's the bottom side. Hot Wheels, you did a phenomenal job. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but that Hot Wheel logo is shiny. It's like a iridescent type color. I put a lot of thought into this truck for sure. Let's check out the glow feature of the zombie truck. Let me zoom in. And if you watched my Halloween zombie truck, I'll put a link there. Click on it, you'll see that it too has the glow feature. Okay. Let's turn the light back on. There you have it, guys. It's a beautiful truck. If you're able to get one, I highly recommend it. If you check out the battle slammers, you got one, you got two, and of course the zombie head reaching out for you. Highly recommend it if you're able to. Later on, when I hit the 500 subscriber mark, I do plan on giving one of these out for free to a lucky subscriber of mine. So just keep watching, keep supporting. You guys have a good one.